Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can remove a debit or credit card on Temu app. Well, it's very easy. So first of all, simply open the application and make sure that you're logged into your account. And then from here, all you need to do is tap on this U icon right here and open your profile, from which you'll need to tap on this settings icon that you can see right here. After opening your settings icon here, you'll need to tap on the your payment methods. And then in here, you'll be able to see your debit or credit card that you have added to your account. So on the right side of that option there, you'll see a edit button. All you need to do is tap on it, and then you'll be able to see the option of delete card. So all you need to do is tap on it, and in order to confirm it, you'll get delete card option one more time. So tap on it one more time, and then you'll get the option of selecting the reason of deletion. So you can select whatever reason that you're deleting your card for. And after selecting the reason, tap on confirm one more time. And just like that, you'll be able to delete your debit or credit card from your Temu account. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.